Buongiorno paisani! I hope you had a happy holiday season, and we're back with more Sicilian lessons in the new year. And the word I want to teach you today is abunnatu. What does it mean? Hai your stomach abunnatu. That means when you eat too much, you feel bloated, you feel your stomach really, really full. So abunnatu, it means you're full, you're bloated. And in Italian we say mi sento troppo pesante, ho mangiato pesante, mi sento lo stomaco pieno, mi sento lo stomaco pesante. So that's the word for today in Sicilian is abunnatu, or mi sento la panza abunnata. Means in abundance, right? When you eat too much. So I'm sure we all felt that at some point these past 2 weeks. I want to wish you all a happy and healthy new year filled with success and a lot of positivity. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto! Salutamu! Ora vai a catto brioche. Vai a decidere. Salutamu!